Hi! Hello, grade 5 pupils. Welcome to my YouTube channel. At kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe na kayo. Like nyo na rin. And share the video. Then mag-comment din kayo dun sa video ko. Sa comment section. Okay, so in today's video, we will have just discussions, short discussion po about MS PowerPoint. Okay? So that will be our lesson the whole quarter, third quarter, about how to use MS PowerPoint. Okay, allow me to share my screen. And let's start. Let's jump right in. Okay. Do you see my screen? Hello, welcome to ICT 5. Welcome to ICT 5, my dear grade 5 pupils. Okay, this is our lesson, getting started with MS PowerPoint. So, do you know how to use MS PowerPoint? Yes, maybe, or no? And if you know how to use it, kindly comment how do we use MS PowerPoint, or what do you know about MS PowerPoint? What do you know about this application? Okay, so this is our learning targets. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to identify the MS PowerPoint environment. Also navigate through MS PowerPoint. Save a presentation in MS PowerPoint. Okay, so ano nga ba ang PowerPoint? What is MS PowerPoint? So MS PowerPoint is a program that is included in the Microsoft Office. It is used to make presentations for personal and professional purposes. You can use the difference of the advantage of using MS PowerPoint. You can use this application offline. Right? There are different applications similar to MS PowerPoint, same functions, with other additional features. But the advantage of MS PowerPoint is you can use this either offline. Okay? Unlike other applications wherein you just use them if you have internet connection. Just like Canva. Okay? You can use Canva if you have internet connection or if you have Wi-Fi. Okay. So how to open MS PowerPoint? So to open MS PowerPoint, just like MS Word, you just select the start button, select all apps, look for the Microsoft Office 2016. This is the version. There are different versions, 2013, 2016, and other version. Okay? Select PowerPoint 2016. Okay? Kung ang naka-install sa inyo is MS PowerPoint 2016. Okay. So, let me share another screen. How to open the MS PowerPoint. Let me share my screen. Wait lang. Ito na lang. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Wait lang. Okay, let me share my screen. Kita nyo na ba? Okay, wait lang. Okay. Okay, ito yung ating MS Word, MS PowerPoint. You can see this sa taskbar nyo. You just double click this. Okay? Or you just click this, start, then look for MS PowerPoint, then click. Okay? Dalawang way. Pwede kayong magpunta dito sa start button, search nyo yung PowerPoint, then click nyo lang. Okay? Yan. Katulad yan. Mag-appear na. Okay? And then, kung nasa taskbar nyo naman, just click PowerPoint. Double click. Ayan. Then, choose blank presentation. And there you go. Meron ka ng makakagawa ka na ng inyong slides, mga design sa slides mo sa PowerPoint mo. Okay, balik tayo doon sa ating slides. We will talk about the parts of the MS PowerPoint. Siyempre, pag na kailangan din natin familiar tayo sa parts ng MS PowerPoint. Okay, so these are the MS PowerPoint parts. Okay. We have the quick access toolbar. We have the file, the tab, yan, itong file tab, the home tab, title bar, the title of your MS PowerPoint, the slide tab, we have the note section, we have the slide views, ito, we have the zoom options and slide area. This is the slide area. Okay. First is the quick access toolbar. So the quick access toolbar on the left can be customized to include the commands that we want to add. We have also the home ribbon. The home ribbon is located below the title bar. The commands that we need are grouped so that we can easily find the tools when we need them. May mga dyan, mga insert table, insert charts, yung font style, word art, insert text box, insert shapes, yan, nandyan sa home ribbon. We have also the slide area. This is where we create our slides. Yan, this is the slide area, the home ribbon. Okay, this is the home ribbon. And quick access toolbar, ito yon, nasa taas. Okay, fourth is the slide tab. The slide tab shows us all the slides we have in our presentation. We can click a slide and PowerPoint will bring us to that particular slide we choose or we chose. And we have also the notes section. This is where we can put notes on each slide. Syempre, aside from your kung gagamit ka ng index card, for example, if you have reporting, para hindi halata, pwede nyo ilagay sa notes section yung additional information or yung script nyo. Okay, ito po yon. Ito yung notes section. Okay? Kung saan pwede nyo ilagay yung additional information, you can add additional information about the topic. You can also write your, encode your script doon sa notes section. Yung guide nyo habang nag-represent kayo ng inyong topic dun sa slides nyo. And this is the slide tab kung saan makikita nyo yung mga slides na gusto nyo i-edit. Okay. So, PowerPoint views. Okay. So, we have normal. There are different types of PowerPoint views. We have the normal view. Kita nyo yan sa baba. We have the normal view. Okay, so this view is used when creating and designing slides. So this can be altered at the bottom of the page on the taskbar. Okay, ito yon. Ito yung makikita nyo kapag normal view. Next is the slide sorter. So this view is good when organizing slides. So we use it when we want to delete, copy, paste, or move our slides. So naka-grid grid-like siya. Okay, naka-grid pattern. Parang ganun. Ayan, makikita nyo. Yan po siya. Makikita nyo lahat ng slides nyo. Pwede nyo i-move, i-delete, or pagpalit-palitin yung position ng inyong slides. Organize nyo yung slides. Mas madali siyang gamitin. Mas madali mag-organize ng slide kung ang gagamitin nyo is slide porter. Next is the reading view. Okay, this view allows us to read our presentation in full view. So the ribbon and the slide tab are hidden from view. To get back to normal view, simply select the normal view icon. Okay, so we have also the slideshow. The slideshow view allows us to practice our presentation. So the Microsoft PowerPoint uses the entire screen so that we can see how our presentation looks when presented to an audience. So the ribbon and other tools are hidden from our screens. The slideshow button is shown below. Ito po yun. Okay, nakikita nyo yan. I-click nyo lang po yan to show your presentation sa buong screen. Now, how to save your MS PowerPoint? Okay, how to save? Just click using the keyboard, just click Control plus S. Okay? Or dito sa screen, you can do this. We can select the Save button from the Quick Access toolbar, or we go to File and choose Save. So second, save our file in our chosen folder. We make sure we use the correct file naming conventions for file names. Then press Enter. Again, masisave na yung document nyo. So, yun lang po. So, as your activity, this is your activity. This is with activity with your partner. So, using your computer, you need to identify the parts of MS PowerPoint. Work with your partner. So, we have the parts, Notes section, File tab, Quick Access toolbar, Zoom options, Slide tab, Slide area, ribbon, and Slide views. Okay, and also, this is your second task, wherein you will create your own slide. by following these steps. First is open a blank presentation in PowerPoint. Second, select the layout drop-down arrow and choose picture with caption. Third, place a picture in the click icon to add picture area. If you have no picture with you, any image will do. In the click to add title area, type a description of what the image is about. Okay. So, yun lang po. Yakang-yaka yan. Kayang-kaya nyo yung gawin. Okay. Allow me to share my screen ulit. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito po yung PowerPoint. Yan. So, mag-a-add lang po kayo dyan. Ito. So, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, ito yung pinakababa. Ito sa view. Okay? This is the normal view. Ito yung slide view. Ayan, yung slide view. Na-click mo yan. Ayan po yun. This is the normal view. The slide view. The reading view. Ayan. Balik natin. Ayan. Ito yung zoom in, zoom out. Ayan. And then ito, yung slideshow. Ayan. So, wala naman ako nilagay dyan sa aking slide. So, i-right click nyo lang po yan. Click nyo lang po itong, kung may pointer options. Kung may laser pointer po kayo, ito po yung options. Kung meron kayong laser pointer, may pen, may highlighter po kayo, yan. Or kung may laser pointer kayo. Si-click nyo lang yan habang tinopoint nyo yung laser doon sa inyong screen, yan. Lilipat yung slides. Mag-change ng slides. And also the slide presenter view. Ito po yung itsura niya. Kasi kapag nag-add notes po kayo, dito nyo makikita yung notes nyo dito sa part na to. Okay? Ito na po yung makikita ng audience. Ito yung para sa inyo. Okay, exit natin yan. So mag-add tayo ng notes para makita nyo talaga. Okay. Sige. Slideshow na tayo. Then right-click nyo lang. Show presenter view. Ayan, ito po yon. Makikita nyo po dito yung notes. Yun lang po. Ganyan lang po kadaling gamitin to. Yun lang po. Adios. Ayun pala, wait lang. Paano mag-save? Siyempre, isi-save nyo yan. Kalimutan ko pala. Isi-save nyo pala yun. Doon nasabi ko na doon sa slides na meron ako. So, demo pa rin kung paano mag-save. For example, lagyan natin ng title, Cordapio. Ayan. Tapos, click nyo lang yung file, save as. Okay? Or file save. Okay? Pili kayo ng inyong ng documents. Lagay natin sa downloads. Then, lagyan mo ng pangalan, Cordapio activity, for example. Yan. Then, save as MS PowerPoint. Okay? Then, click save. Yan, automatic yan. Magsisave na yan. So, kapag mag-e-edit kayo, control nyo lang yung, click nyo lang yung control plus S. Automatic masisave yan pag nag-e-edit kayo. Or just click file, save. Automatic na magsisave yan. Kapag once na nag-edit kayo or nag-add kayo ng slides. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Adios. Kita-kits sa next vlog ko.